Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing AI tool that can turn any text into a professional, eye-catching video. And the best part, you don't need any editing skills at all. If you want to start making awesome videos quickly and easily, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. And don't miss this, the website I'm about to show you is currently offering 500 free credits for new users. So, let's get started right now. First, open your computer browser and type "Hello A Video" into Google search, then hit enter. Click on the first link that pops up. That's the official site. You can also find the direct link in the description of this video. Now, sign up using your email address and log in. Once you're in, you can start using the platform completely free. As I mentioned, you'll get 500 free credits just for signing up, which means you can create several videos without paying anything. When you scroll down the homepage, you'll see examples of videos created by other users. That'll give you an idea of what this tool is capable of. Now, let me explain how you can create your own video using this tool. You actually have two main options here: image to video and text to video. But lesson, here's an important tip. If you want to keep your character consistent across scenes, it's better to use the image to video option. But if character consistency isn't a big deal for you, then text to video works just fine. Let's try both methods. I'll show you how to convert a photo into a video and also how to turn a text prompt into a video. You can start creating directly from the homepage, but I recommend clicking on video from the left side. It gives you more features and flexibility. When click there, you'll see two options: text to video and image to video. Let's start with text to video. Paste your text prompt in the box or type it directly, then click generate. Within seconds, your video will be ready. Then click and download it. If you don't like the result, just regenerate until you're happy with it. Now let's try the image to video option. Click on the image to video and upload an image. Your video will be ready in few seconds. Click on the download button and save it to your computer. Alright friends, if you want to make sure your character looks the same across all scenes, here's a pro tip. Use a tool called Leonardo AI to generate your images first, then turn your images to video. And that's it friends. I hope this walkthrough gave you a clear idea of how to turn text or images into videos using AI. And remember, this tool is giving out 500 free credits to new users. So if you're planning to try it out, don't wait too long. Thanks so much for watching and spending your time with me. If you've got any questions, or if you've already tried this tool and want to share your experience, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you and subscribe for more.